Today we have to do a new activity, that means metal that will be reacted with oxygen, that will liberated a metal oxides which will be having a basic nature. Whether the metal oxides are having a basic nature, we have to prove today by doing one small experiment. First of all, I am taking here a magnesium ribbon. This is a magnesium ribbon. Whenever this magnesium ribbon that will be exposed to the air, that means burning Bunsen burner, you have to observe a white colored fumes we have to notice here. I am depositing this white colored fumes inside of the test tube. After the burning completion, you have to notice it clearly that the inside of the test tube that will be having a white colored layer. At the top of the surface of the mouth of the test tube, you have to notice a white colored powder, that is a magnesium oxide. Now we are depositing here the magnesium oxide, that is a metal powder. Now I am adding a few drops of water inside the test tube, and you have to convert it a liquid. This is a metal hydroxides. That means we have already familiar that whenever the metal oxides that will be reacted with water forms hydroxides. Here the newly formed product is magnesium hydroxide. Prepared the magnesium hydroxide, I am transferring into the 3 test tubes. Here some small solution I am taking in 3 test tubes. Why means I am testing here whether the prepared solution is having a base nature or not. We have to identify the base nature by various methods. That means one litmus test by using indicators. First of all, I am taking a red color litmus paper. Whenever that will be added or dipped into the prepared solution, you have to observe here. I am taking here, I am adding the solution on the surface of the litmus paper. You have to notice it clearly that that will be changes to a blue color. You have to observe the differences of the colors here. Here red color. Whenever I am adding in this part, the solution, the color of the red color litmus paper changes to a blue color. From this we have to conclude that the prepared solution is having a base nature. We can also prove one more activity, that is I am taking phenolphthalein indicator. Here I am taking a phenolphthalein indicator. We have already familiar that any base solution we have to adding a phenolphthalein indicator which will be changes to pink color. Whether the solution changes to the pink color or not, you have to observe it closely. I am adding only 1 drop or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator here. What you have to notice here, the color of the solution, the white color of the solution which will be changes to a pink color. From this we have to conclude that the obtained, we have to prepare the solution or resultant solution is a base solution. From these 2 activities, one is litmus test and phenolphthalein test, we have to conclude that the formed solution is a base. We have already categorized the base into 2 categories, that is a strong base and a weak base. We have already claimed that always metal hydroxides are having a strong basic character. How we have to identify whether this solution is a strong base or weak base? We have to identify by using one test, that is a pH test, universal solution. This is a universal solution. By using this solution, the given solution, the obtained solution, whether that will be a strong or weak base. If we have to adding a pH solution to this solution, that will be changes to a blue color, that will be categorized as a strong base. Whether that will be, we have already familiar that the metal hydroxide always are having a strong bases. Whenever I am adding this universal indicator, that will be changes to a blue color. We have to conclude that is a strong base. I am adding here the pH solution here. You have to observe closely that the solution that will be changes to a blue color. From this we have to finally conclude that strongly we have to evidence that the resultant magnesium hydroxide is a base, and also we have to categorize it as a strong base which will be having a pH range in between 10.5 to 14. Here you have to observe that the pH having a range 10, that will be a blue color. We have to also obtain a blue color. From this we have to conclude that the obtained solution is a strong base. From all these experiments, one is phenolphthalein test, one is litmus test, and finally pH test. We have to finally conclude that metals, hydroxides are base character. Thanks.